We're set to see how the economy grew in Q2 after a surprising strong start to the year. Will there be more surprises ahead? Let's look at what economists think happened in the first half. Canada's real GDP for June will be out on Friday. Growth is forecast to contract for the first time this year, down 0.2% from the previous month, according to an advanced estimate from StatsCan. This means Q2 real GDP is also expected to slow, with the annualized rate forecast to grow 1.2%, according to Bloomberg. That's down from 3.1% growth in Q1. If the data comes in within these expectations, it's unlikely the BOC will hike interest rates in September. No move would be welcomed by most clients. In the US, we'll get the second estimate of real Q2 GDP on Wednesday after an advanced forecast of 2.4% annualized growth. That's much stronger than the 2% growth in Q1. We're also set to get jobs data for August on Friday. The US unemployment rate is expected to remain unchanged at 3.5%. All this points to resilience in the world's biggest economy and tempers expectations of a recession in the second half of the year. Welcome to Advisor Lookahead. This is a weekly series where I get you up to date on investing and financial news. In earnings, we have the remaining Big Five Canadian banks reporting this week, and they are expected to continue to show slowing growth. BMO and Scotiabank released Q3 results on Tuesday, followed by CIBC on Thursday. BMO's acquisition of Bank of the West will drive revenue even as organic growth slows. Costs could also rise faster in a challenging environment. Wealth management could show gradual increases, and capital markets may also see weakness. Scotiabank adjusted its interest rate positioning to assume higher rates for longer, and that could lead to growth in net interest income. But it could see smaller gains in Latin American countries. Lower loan demand could also slow domestic and international growth. For CIBC, slowing loan growth could also impact profitability. Fee income in personal and commercial banking is expected to increase at a slower pace. Still, asset valuations could help the wealth management business. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. We won't release a video next week, but we'll return on September 11th. For more news and information, check out globeadvisor.ca.